Welcome, everyone. Today, we are not talking about motivation or empty positivity. We are talking about rebuilding yourself from the inside out. If you feel stuck, behind, or tired of your own excuses, this message is for you. Maybe you know you have potential, but your results do not show it. Maybe you start strong, but quit too soon. Today, we change that pattern with clarity and structure. Here is the uncomfortable truth. Your life is not confusing, and your dreams are not too big. The real problem is inconsistent habits and low standards. You want better results, but you repeat the same behaviors. Nothing changes because you do not change daily actions. Success is not random, and failure is not destiny. Both are built by repeated choices. You do not need a new year or a perfect moment. You do not need more motivation videos or lucky opportunities. What you need is structure and discipline. Real change begins with a serious decision, a decision that you will no longer negotiate with your future. While you listen, also notice the English sentences and vocabulary. You are improving your mindset and your language together. Lesson 1 is simple but powerful. Raise your standards. Most people live at the level of what they tolerate. If you tolerate laziness, you get average results. If you tolerate excuses, you build a weak identity. Your standards silently shape your behavior every day. High standards are not loud, they are personal rules. When your standards rise, your life follows. Lesson 2. Control your mornings with intention. The first hour of your day sets the direction of everything. If you start with your phone, you begin in reaction mode. If you start with planning and movement, you begin in control. Wake up and drink water before checking notifications. Move your body, even for 20 minutes. Win the morning and you build momentum. Lesson 3. Focus on skill instead of entertainment. A better future requires becoming more valuable. Value comes from useful skills, not opinions. Spend at least one focused hour daily improving something important. Practice English, learn business, or strengthen communication. 1 hour daily becomes hundreds of hours yearly. Consistency creates separation from average people. Lesson 4. Stop negotiating with yourself. Every time you delay, you weaken your identity. Discipline is keeping small promises to yourself daily. If you say 6 o'clock, wake up at 6. If you say 30 minutes, work for 30 minutes. No drama, no excuses, no emotional debate. Repeated execution builds real confidence. Finally, Lesson 5. Choose long-term growth over short-term comfort. Comfort feels good now, but creates regret later. Discipline feels hard now, but builds pride later. You must choose which pain you want. Do one uncomfortable thing every day. Face what you avoid instead of escaping it. Courage grows only when you use it. Fixing your life is not emotional, it is mechanical. Raise your standards and control your mornings. Build valuable skills and keep your promises. Choose hard actions instead of easy distractions. Small daily discipline creates powerful long-term change. Make the decision today and start rebuilding.